this is part 2 of of the shawarma chaos. So let me just prepare it. So okay na guys, na-prepare ko na. Don't mind the foot bro. So ito na. So yan. So naglagay ako. Ito yung restocks. Yung pang restock. So yung restock dito naman. Ito siya. Yan. So nahulog lahat. Okay. Let me just fix it up guys. Wait lang. Sorry. Nahulog eh. Ayan na. So, let's get my camera. So, let's turn na siya. So, na-prepare na natin. Ito yung pang-restock. And this one. So, bakit ako na yung pang-restock? Kasi gusto na. Here, there's some like meat and some vegetables and some shawarma. So, let's just close it. I'm so sorry because I don't know. Okay, let's see if we have a customer. Let's just wait. First, let's just move this back here. This is the restocking. So let's put it there. Come here. Let's go there. Some meals. And this is the realistic food. Okay, maglalagay din akong paper mamaya. So, may parang ano tayo. May part 4, may part 5. Ito yung pang mixie. Tapos ito yung list. Yan ka. So, ito yung barrel. Just in case. So, dito siya. Nahulog. Ito na lang naman. Diba ba? Ay, hindi. Ano lang? Okay. What's that? Okay, this one. Let's put it here. My God. Oh, we have a customer. Hi, ma'am. Can I get ice cream and shawarma, please? Okay po, ma'am. Wait lang po, ha? So, guys, let's see the camera. So, let's just use 3 pumps na daw. 1, 2, 3, and then press this, and then ay, nahulog. Okay, put it there. And 1, and 2, and 3. Woo! Boom! Oh, she's happy. Let's go. So, okay na po, ma'am. Ano po yung order niyo po ulit? Yung ice cream po, tapos yung shawarma lang po. Okay. Ayaw niyo ng drinks. Ma'am, baka gusto niyo po na mag-drinks. Ha? Ay, ayoko po. Uminom na po akong drinks kanina eh. Okay po. Okay, so, sabi niya to. Ay, where's my plate? Wait, I'm just going to get my plate. Boom! Get the plate. Put it there. Let's get the thing. Wait lang. Okay, so sabi niya yung ano daw, shawarma. Ngayon, so gagawa naman tayo totoo kasi palagi na lang ganito yung ginagawa natin. Let's put